Hello, and welcome to another All About Doors and Windows feature presentation. Today we're going to be learning how to rehand a Ferco 528 lock. This is an Atrium Multipoint Lock Ferco 528 gearbox. All you will need is a Phillips screwdriver. The bevel is the slant of a spring latch or any locking rod or protrusion that determines the handing of the door. This determines the handing because the beveled side of the latch must be facing the door frame. Otherwise, the latch won't depress and the door will not be able to close. You must first unscrew the screw holding the spring latch. You then flip the spring latch in the opposite direction it was facing. You then fasten the spring latch down again. Please remember all products shown are available on our online store. And of course, if you have any additional questions, please contact us at allaboutdoors.com.